Hi guys, I'm Radha and today I'm going to be helping you to make the binoculars. Now before we start, it's really important that you remember that you've got two eyes, okay? I know that sounds really obvious, but the pieces of the binoculars because some of them are numbered the same, so you need to remember, so the number 1 for example has 8 different pieces, you need equal numbers for both eyes, okay? Otherwise your binoculars are going to end up a little bit lopsided and we don't want that, do we? So let's get started. So to start off, I've sorted out all the pieces by the different numbers, okay? I've also got my glue and my glue applicators handy with my brown paper bag. Okay, I'm going to start by pouring a little bit of glue to one side, just so you can see. Not too much because the stuff does dry quickly and you can always add more, okay? So, start with the number 1s. Now I have 8 pieces. Remember, we have 2 eyes. So we need 4 and 4, okay? 4 equal pieces. Keep the numbers on top so that you know what you are working with. Take one of the glue applicators and we are going to stick all these pieces together. And we're going to stick all these pieces together. To start off with, we're going to keep the 2 eyes separate, okay? So let's get on with it. You can actually dip the eyes in the glue. That makes it a little bit easier. Try and keep them as even as you can. Okay, so the ones are done. Remember, we're keeping the eyes separate, okay? Onto the 2s. Okay, again, you've got 8 different pieces. You can use your cotton bud applicator, or you can use the dip method, whichever you like the best. Stage 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, okay? Number 3s are next. Now look, you've only got one of each of these. The only thing you need to remember is to make sure that the circles line up, okay? And the thick bits need to be on the outside. Look, just like that. So let's pop them on, look. Okay. I'm running out of glue again. So let's pop some more on. I can always add more. Look, my circles are getting a bit bigger with the glue. Tip thing works really, really well with the single pieces. So I'm going to keep that going. So 4s are up next. Again, you've got one of each. Okay, so they can just dip and stick. Okay, so 4s are on. 5s. Now the 5, look, that's a double piece, okay? So now this is the bit where your binoculars start to go together as a single item, okay? So now, in fact, I'm going to use the dip strategy just to get the glue around the rim. Actually, and that's plenty. And this gets a bit messy, but don't worry, okay? 5 is done. Great. Same again with the number 6. Number 7. Then you've got your number 8. Okay, now again you've got 4. So you need 2 for one eye and 2 for the other, okay? Remember, you've got 2 eyes. So for both eyes. There you go, guys. for the glue to dry, and then you can sort of peel off these little bits of glue that are sort of hanging around the binoculars. Don't worry so much about them. That's fantastic. Okay, and then when that's dry, you can paint it up. You'll have one that looks a bit like this. Okay, so here's one I made earlier. So it'll look a bit like this once it's dry. It's a nice solid pair of binoculars. Paint it. You can put your strap on. Okay, so you've got some string. Use the string to tie the strap to both sides. And you've got yourself a lovely set of binoculars, guys. Doesn't that look great? Okay, so happy bird watching, guys.